What is up, guys? This is the AI King Russ Ward, and I am going to do a demo in this video to show you how our amazing AI chatbots work. Now, in this case, we are going to assume that this is a new lead that just came in. I'm using my own information, Russ Ward at theleadking.com. And you see me here in the video. So I'm the guy you get. If you do schedule a call with us and you want to find out more about AI bots, you're going to talk to me, you're going to work with me, and I'm going to do all your bot setup for you. I don't outsource this stuff to another country. I do it all myself, and I do it very well. So let's get started. Let's say I am a new lead. I just came into a cleaning company and I want to get my house cleaned. So over here on the left side, I am going to just assume they just reached out to me, and I'm going to reply, I need my house cleaned. Now, on the right side, what you're going to see is our CRM. Our CRM actually comes with our bots. So if you get a bot from us, you get the CRM and it does amazing things. Number one, it houses your bot. It's where we run your bot from. We set everything up in here. You get to keep it for life as long as you have a bot from us. And I'm going to show you a bunch of other cool things that it does. So you can see that over here on the CRM, everything's coming in on the right. And then on the left, we're actually having a text message conversation. It says, I can help you with that. Let's start with your name. So the bot always asks the name, but I'm just going to say Russ Ward again, just because I just want to follow on the flow of the bot. But in most cases, if it's a new lead coming in, we wouldn't be asking the name, obviously, because we already had the name from the lead coming in. So now the bot is going to take a moment to respond. Sometimes it takes longer than others, and we have it do that on purpose. The reason is because we want it to seem as human-like as possible. You'd say, great, Russ, thank you. How many bedrooms are in your home? I'm going to say 4 bedrooms. Now, while we're waiting for these replies, I'm going to go through here why these AI bots are so special. Okay, let's say a new lead came in, it went into the CRM, and somebody at the business, they just didn't have enough time to get to it right away. They might lose it. That person would call somebody else. But in our case, the bot immediately engages with the lead. The appointment setting percentage goes up by at least 48% is what we found with our clients. Okay. And what we see here is that it came back and asked how many bathrooms. We're going to say 3 bathrooms. All right. So what's happening here is that this bot has on the back end what's called a prompt. The prompt is the instructions on what to do, what to ask, what kind of questions, what comes next. And we can make it do anything you want. We can make it have a personality like you, a personality like your assistant. We can name it anything you want. We can give it as much contact information as you like. We can give it all the FAQs. We can give it the background of your business. And as you can see in this reply here, it says, thank you for providing the details, Russ. Based on having a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, the starting price is $259, but this is just an estimate. We need you to schedule a call to confirm this. When would you like to schedule a call? Tell me which day works best for you. So what we have programmed into this prompt is all types of things that will tell the bot, hey, based on a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, it's going to be at least $259, but make sure they schedule a call to confirm in case there's other things. Maybe they need a deep clean. Maybe they need some blinds done. Maybe they need a bunch of other things. So we have to get them an accurate price. Now, if we did have solid pricing that was always this or always that, we could send them a link to pay right away. We could set the bot up to do that. Again, we customize this completely for you. So this is a company called Bubble Ducky Cleaning, and it's completely customized for them. So it asks here, what day works best for you? I'm going to go ahead and say Tuesday works best for me. Now, what you're going to see here is it's going to get into the realm of setting appointments, okay? So again, on the right is the CRM. This is just where everything's going on. You as the business owner will be able to see this. You can watch this in real time, and we have a way to turn the bot off so you can jump in there and jump into the conversation if you want to. It says, thank you for picking Tuesday. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say afternoon. And then what the bot's doing is it's looking at the attached calendar to make sure that there is availability on Tuesday afternoon. And once it finds that availability, it's going to come back and it's going to say, hey, we have this time or this time. We purposely did it this way because when we were doing actual cold calling on the telephone, we found that setting it up this way worked best. We found that asking what day works best for you, morning or afternoon, and then giving 2 choices, that always worked best because what you're not doing is you're not saying, hey, what's the best time for an appointment? No, we're walking them through it. This is called conversational booking, and it's very important. Our bots are one of the only bots that do conversational booking. And it says, here's 2 times, 2 o'clock or 3:30. I'm going to go ahead and say 2. And while we're talking about conversational booking, you can see how easy this flows, right? It's just kind of a back and forth between the lead and the bot. And the lead, the person who comes in as the customer, they might not even know that this is a bot because it's such an easy flow, right? Now, what you're going to see over here on the right, which is pretty cool, is the bot over here scheduled the appointment in the CRM. You can see that it scheduled it for Tuesday at 2. And then it came back with your appointment is scheduled for Tuesday at 2, and it texted that to the client. So in the back end here, you can see the appointment is in the system, which is really cool. It did its job. It did it right. And now we have automation set up over here on the back end. So when this appointment is booked, what's going to happen is the business owner is going to get a text message. Hey, someone came through your bot. They scheduled an appointment. What they're looking for is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's going to alert them right away and put it on their calendar so they don't miss this. So literally, a new lead could come in. It could have a conversation with a bot, be on the calendar, and a sale could be made potentially the same day or the next morning, which is phenomenal. It happens all the time for our customers. Now, another thing I want to show you that is very, very cool is that not only do these bots have the ability to ask questions, as many questions as you want them to ask, but you can come down here and you can see that down here is where we store these questions, right? So what I have down here is called bot questions. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. And when I refresh this, what we should see is that a couple of these answers are filled in. And it's just taking a moment here. Okay. So we're going to slide back down here to bot questions. You can see that the 2 questions that we actually asked in the bot sequence, how many bedrooms 4, how many bathrooms 3, it actually saved those answers, which is pretty cool. And then I had a couple other questions that I put in here just as examples to show you in the demo. You could also ask the square footage of the home. You could ask, is this a move in or a clean out? You could ask, would you like a deep cleaning? These are just examples to show you, hey, if you wanted to put other questions in here, we can put them in there. And again, we build this thing for you completely custom. When you work with us, what we do is we ask you, hey, what questions do you want your bot to ask? Is there anything at all that would qualify or disqualify you? We've done this for every type of business you can imagine. We've done this for personal injury attorneys. We actually give them a preliminary case analysis to let them know, hey, your case may or may not be viable. It may have been too long. We've done this for roofing companies, solar companies, med spas, any kind of company that you can think of, this will work for. We just showed you this example because honestly, we just built this one and we're pretty proud of it. And I just wanted to get it in here and show you how it answers the questions, it saves the questions, and it sets the appointment. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this, how this works and how this can be done for your business, all you're going to do is you're going to click that learn more button or whatever button you see or somewhere around this video. And you're going to come to a page that looks like this. This is called Calendly. It's our calendar that we use. You can see our logo up here, AI King. I know it sounds pretty presumptuous that I call myself the AI King. However, I am doing amazing things in AI. I promise you I'm not as arrogant as that sounds. I love working with clients. I love taking all your input in, but I have studied nothing but artificial intelligence, specifically bots, for more than a year now. I used to run a really big marketing agency and I did marketing for everybody. Now I just do AI and I do it really well. So schedule a call with us. Come over here to Calendly, pick the best day and time that works. If you click on that, let's just say you pick a day and a time. We're gonna ask you for your name, your email, your phone number, and we're gonna send you an email with a confirmation with a Zoom, and we're gonna text you a reminder as well. The reason we're going to do a Zoom is because we want to do a demo, a live demo. Maybe you're in a certain type of a niche, a certain type of an industry. Maybe you have a roofing company. We want to show you a roofing bot so we can show you how that works for you. So we'll show you how it can apply to your business. Now, once you're done scheduling your appointment, this is where this gets really cool. Schedule your appointment here. You're going to get a confirmation email, confirmation text. It's going to have the Zoom link for the time that we're scheduled to talk. Then you're going to be redirected to this page here. This is basically the thank you for scheduling an appointment page, and it's going to have a bunch of information on here. It just basically says thank you for scheduling a call. Again, you're going to have the call with me. You're not having it with somebody on my team. You're not going to have it outsourced. I'm talking to you. I'm the guy who builds the bots, and I'm going to be the guy who builds your bots. I'm responsible for building your bots, and we will work together to make the best bot possible for you. But what's cool about this thank you page after you schedule your appointment is you can come down here, you can test a bunch of them. We have a solar savings bot. This bot will actually ask you for your address and it'll ask you for your utility bill. And you can go ahead and get a solar savings analysis for the next 20 years. We programmed that bot to do that. We have a gym bot that will tell you all about a local gym, all the cool stuff they do, all about the trainers. We have a cleaning company, the one that you just saw here. You can test it out for yourself. And then we have some videos for those that don't want to play with the bots. We have some demo videos just like the one you're watching. And then here's a little bit about me. I've actually been doing, like I said, I've been doing marketing for a long time. I got into AI last year and I went all in on AI. And I ended up speaking on some stages. This guy right here, his name is Perry Belcher. He's been on Shark Tank. He asked me to be a panel discussionist because of my expertise in AI bots. So you can have a look here. You can read a little bit about me. And then all you have to do is show up for your call. I give you all these cool things here to try out. You can check them out. You can play with them, do whatever you want with them. Try to break them, and then on the call, tell me how you break them, and you can brag. Because sometimes you can't break them if you say silly things to them, but usually we get that worked out really easily. If somebody's saying stupid things, we turn the bot off or whatever. So anyway, guys, this is what we offer. We offer a AI bot. We can do it on SMS text message. We can do this on a live chat widget, like on your website. We just pop a widget up there and people can talk to it. Same process goes through. We can do this on Facebook. We can do this on Instagram. We can make different bots for each of these platforms if necessary. So if you'd like to learn more, all you have to do is, once again, click that button, come over here, schedule your appointment. Promise it's a no pressure call. I'm going to do a demo for you. Most people like it. Most people take it when they like it. But if you don't like it, and if you don't want it, I'm not going to try and twist your arm to do it, because everybody has needs at different times. And if you don't need it and you don't want it, that's okay. That's cool with me too. So anyway, thank you for listening to my video. Thank you for attending my TED Talk. And I hope to see you on a phone call very soon.